Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Vechain chart, and also give you my breakdown targets here on the Vechain chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to hold above our key area of support at around the $0.02436 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure right here in yellow, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that larger Elliot wave contrary to the upside. And I still believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is a retracement in the formation of this wave 4. And before I get further into the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that bounce to the upside, giving us a high at around the $0.2677 mark, and also completed a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is an area that lies between the $0.02243 mark and the $0.02109 mark. And it is within that target area that I was expecting to see the low for that second wave. And after seeing the low for that second wave, we started this bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. Because of its impulsive nature, I also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. And you can see here on the charts, I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow, having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3. And I now believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment in this breakdown is the formation of this wave 4. And once the low for this fourth wave is in, then we can expect that bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 to the upside, and getting a minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 4 by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3. That gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that we have fully maximized. And right now you can see that we have lost the fib level 0.618, and because of that I have an invalidation point of this Elliot wave structure by which is the wave 1 high, which lies at around the $0.02614 mark, which I have marked over here using this dotted line. So in case we continue seeing a breakdown here on the Vechain chart and get to this wave 1 high, then that will be invalidating this Elliot wave structure. And in case such a move plays out, then we can term this whole structure that we are seeing right here as a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. Then whatever we are seeing in that breakdown is a retracement in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 before we can expect a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then our wave 5, fully maximizing our target areas to the upper side in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upside. And if that is the case, using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts, which lies between the $0.027 mark and the $0.02619 mark. So that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 2 to do, and a maximum of the fib level 0.78 in case we lose the fib level 0.618, and that is the minimum that I will expect that second wave to the lower side to do. And these are my breakdown targets in case this move continues and we also lose our invalidation point, which is the wave 1 high. So my breakdown targets right now as they are the area between the $0.02741 mark and the $0.02444 mark in what we could term as the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 33 mark, meaning we have not yet managed to get into the oversold region, and any breakdowns to the lower side here on the RSI will still be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have been able to print a bearish cross, and we are also seeing a sharp increase in the selling momentum here on the MACD, meaning there are chances of continuing to unlock even lower prices here on the Vechain chart before we can expect a reversal to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.